Assalamualaikum everyone. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how to make a rainbow cake topper. So I have here gum paste in rainbow colors, a rolling pin, a white gum paste for the clouds, some water or edible glue. We will need a knife or any sort of cutter. I also have on the side here non-stick cooking spray. You can use vegetable shortening, you can use cornstarch or icing sugar mix. We also need some toothpicks. So when I'm not working with the gum paste, I tend to cover it with some cling film so that it doesn't dry out. I also have a round cutter here. This one's 6 centimeters in diameter. So I'll start by kneading the gum paste to make it more soft and pliable and easy to work with. And it will be smooth and it's not going to have any cracks. So I'm just going to roll it into a long sausage shape. You can make it as long as you like, you can make it as thin as you like, or as thick as you like. Basically depends on the kind of rainbow you're after and the size of the rainbow, and obviously that depends on the size of the cake that you're going to put this topper on. I'm just using a regular size. This can go on a 6-inch cake or an 8-inch cake. I will do on a 9-inch cake as well. And I'm going to do the same, I'm going to repeat the same process with all the colors. This topper is so much fun to make and it's super easy. Anybody can do this. And it just adds that wow factor to any cake. You can just put it on a plain white cake and, you know, it will just make the birthday girl all that super happy. And now I'm just going to use this round cutter to shape the rainbow. And I'm going to put the colors in sequence. So at this point, I feel that my hands are getting sticky and it's getting difficult to work with the gum paste. And I'm just going to spray some non-stick spray to my hands. And it just makes it so much easier. And the gum paste is so much smoother to work with and easy to work with. I feel that this is much more convenient and easier than using cornstarch and icing sugar mix. And it's so much less messier as well. It's time to assemble all the colors of the rainbow. I'm just gonna cut the excess to make the shape of the rainbow. And there's your rainbow. How easy was that? So now I'm just gonna insert this toothpick into the rainbow by adding some water on the toothpick and also some water at the edge of the rainbow. Now this cake topper has to rest for at least 24 to 48 hours before it can be used. You can see how sloppy and soft it is at the moment. So it will rest on preferably styrofoam, and that will help it set and harden so that it can hold its shape when you put it into the cake. I am moving on to make the clouds now, and we just need a white gum paste, and we'll need 2 clouds. So I've cut the sausage shape into half, and we have some round balls that we're going to make out of these pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can make some big, some small. It just has to be random and fluffy. That's all that matters. Just going to place them together to make a cloud shape. And I'm going to stick the balls together with some water. I'm going to put the water in the creases, and I'm also going to spread a very, very small amount of water on the top, because I will cover it with a thin layer of gum paste as well. So I'm just going to roll out the gum paste really thin. And I'm just going to place it on top of the fluffy cloud that we made. And this will just, give it that smooth and airy feel. And it's going to hide all the imperfections as well. You can either cut the excess, or you can just tug it underneath and smooth it all out. It's just super easy, and it's so cute. So I have this tool here, and I'm just gonna make some indentations on the cloud to, just make sure that the lines and the creases are more visible. How cute is that? I love it. And we're gonna use this cloud under the rainbow. So when I'm happy with the shape of the rainbow, and before I leave it to set, I'm going to put some water and or edible glue in between the layers so that they all stick together as they dry. They become hard and they stick all together. And this is the point when the gum paste is soft, you can shape your rainbow, or smooth out the edges, or make it nice and even.